Now to the new normal and education. As classes resume for students during this pandemic, we want you to know that our coverage does include colleges and universities.
Right. So many of you have children, grandchildren, stepchildren now on campuses all across the state. And our education team is working to keep you informed. Tonight, education team anchor Andy Sirota live in our newsroom with a look at how colleges are keeping track of COVID cases. Andy?
Dominique and Chris, students and staff at colleges and universities all across our area still adjusting to this new normal as part of their efforts to track the virus. Many of these schools are reporting tests and confirmed cases on a daily dashboard. As colleges and universities start their fall semester, many here in Texas have launched dashboards to track COVID-19 cases. Back in March, when the pandemic became a national issue, Prairie View A&M University started this approach and has stayed the course.
It enables us to really flex to be able to be agile and responsive to the on-ground reality, because we're not always having to explain the why.
In addition to archiving its reports, Prairie View A&M University's dashboard includes the number of cases, where on campus they were reported, and whether those who've been impacted have been notified. The University of Houston has also been tracking COVID cases since March. Its dashboard shows the total cases since then, along with the case rate. Rice University's includes a look at campus testing, the number of positive cases, and shows you how many people are in isolation and quarantine. UT Austin's displays new positive cases per day, the results of testing conducted on the UT campus, and shows you the number of COVID patients hospitalized in the Austin metro area. More cases at a particular school could mean more cases in the community. School officials say that's why sharing information is imperative.
If we keep a very rich, dynamic site, people become used to going there to get the latest information. If we maintain transparency, people become used to the idea that they're at least being as truthful as possible.
While some schools don't have dashboards, they do have thorough notification and response protocols to address an outbreak as quickly and as safely as possible. In the newsroom tonight, Andy Sirota, KPRC Channel 2 News.
Thank you, Andy.